So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I will teach you how to create new style of dynamic animation with using Cinema 4D R25, and for render guys I use cycle render in Blender. So firstly guys, I'm going to take a sphere, this one, and change sphere radius. So I go to object and radius I like 50 and segments take 50. Yeah. So go on here, display, select God shading lines. Yeah. And next one, guys, duplicate this sphere. So shortcut command is press Ctrl C and V. Yeah. And go to up. Yeah. And go to chord. And see guys, that's my position. I like 300 centimeter is good. And next one, guys, I use cylinder. Yeah. Okay. So guys, go to object and cylinder. Guys, radius I like 2.5. Yeah. And height I like 300. Yeah. And go to up like this. Guys, like 150 is good. Yeah. Okay. So guys, height segment is good. Rotation segment increase like 30 is good. Yeah. See guys, that's my simple object, right? Okay. So guys, next one I take null object. So see guys, that's my null object. Click on here and select all cylinder and sphere and make child with null. Yeah. So guys, select this null and see guys, that's my center pivot. So go on mate. So go to tool and go to axis. See guys, that's my axis and axis center check. So click on all, auto and execute check. Yeah. See guys, that's my center pivot, right? Okay, so guys, now I create rotation animation. So I increase frame. Frame guys, I like 1000. Yeah, I like 1000. So select this null object and I go to chord and rotation. Yeah, I create animation like this. So guys, R.B I like 90 on 0 frame and press this animation key on 0 frame and go to last 1000 frame. So guys, position R.B position I like 2790. So press this animation key. Yeah, guys, that's my seamless animation. Okay, so guys, now I change graph editor. So stop. So guys, select this null and window, timeline F curve tool, this one, increase frame like this, and guys, select your graph editor. Yeah, and press this liner tool. Click on liner and guys, close. So go to back and play. Yeah, much better. See guys, that's my seamless animation. So go to 0 frame and that's my last frame. It's same. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys, that's my first type of animation, and now I create dynamic. So for dynamic, so fold this null and take cube, this one. Guys, go to size, I like 10, 10 and 10 and fill it. So guys, select this cube and press O letter for closer. Yeah, and fill it check. And guys, fill it radius I like 0.5 and segments, that's my subdivision I like 5 for more smoothing. Okay, so next one guys, I like sphere and sphere radius I like 5 is good, segments 24, simple. Yeah, that's my next one. Okay, so guys, I take more objects. I like this one like cone and scale size change. Yeah, and guys, go to here. So guys, select this cone and top radius is good, bottom radius I like 5 and 10 10 and increase segments. Yeah, that's my cone. Okay, so guys, next one I like torus. So torus, this one, and torus guys, radius I like 8 and segments increase randomly. Yeah, like 2.5 pipe radius, and segments increase 50 is good. Yeah, actually 40. I like 40. Yeah, that's my fourth object, right? Okay, so guys, last one I take this time capsule is good. So guys, same, you can select scale tool, this one, and smaller. Yeah, so go to on here, and guys select this capsule, this one, and change radius. Guys, 3.5 is good, and guys height 15. So segments increase. Yeah, see guys, that's my all objects, that's my dynamic objects. Okay, so guys, next one I use cloner. So select your all objects and mix it with cloner. Yes, and go to back. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys, I take one more sphere for object. So take sphere and radius same 50, and segments, guys, segments 50 is good. And guys, go to down, last one, and hide on render. Yeah, select this cone, actually cloner, grid to change object, and see guys, that's my object. So drag and drop on here. Yeah, and I increase this time count like 500 is good. Yeah, good. And go to back and play. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys, now I apply rigid body and some dynamic tags. So go to cloner, rigid body, simulation, and guys go to force. Guys, follow position I like simple 5. Yeah, so go to null and simulation and use collider. So go to back and play. Yeah, it's good. And guys, go to little bit back, set your camera angle, and go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful dynamic animation, simple dynamic. It's best tutorial for beginners, guys. Okay, so next one, I stop this animation now. Guys, I change little bit gravity. So stop and go to mode and project. Guys, go to dynamic and gravity. See guys, that's my gravity, like half, 500 is good. And go to back and play. Yeah, it's good. Right, see, beautiful dynamic animation, guys. Okay, so next one, guys, this time I apply random effector tool. So guys, select your cloner and go to MoGraph effector and use random effector. So go to parameter, guys, position uncheck. So go to back, and guys, rotation check. Guys, rotation randomly change, anyone rotation randomly change, and scale size and ununiform scale size check. Guys, scale minus 1.5. Yes, really good. And go to back and play. Yeah, it's good. See guys, that's my beautiful dynamic animation. It's like a looping animation, right? Okay, so guys, that's my simple animation. Now I apply beautiful material in Blender. So stop this animation. Guys, you can export all animation in Blender. So I take camera and camera check. Guys, set your camera angle like this. Yeah, that's my camera angle, and save your project. Guys, go to here and take any folder like this and like file. Yeah, and export all animation. So guys, select your all objects like this, select all and go to file. Guys, export and export .abc format file, this one. Yeah, and guys, see, that's my simple setting. Guys, scale size I like 0.1 centimeter. Yeah, and press OK. Yeah, that's my file, like file, Blender. Yeah, and go to save. See guys, that's my exporting animation. Yeah, see, that's my saving file, 22, 23 and all objects. It's 0%, and after Okay, so guys, my export animation is finished. Now I show you my animation. So go on here, folder. That's my animation file. See guys, that's my file blender.abc format file, right? So import your file in Blender. And guys, I already create material file. That's my material. Guys, you can download this material file from my website. It's free. So right click, open this file. That's my Blender. And guys, I use Blender cycle render. Yeah. See guys, that's my file, right? It's my simple background. And second one, it's my light. Okay. So guys, now go on here, file, and import your ABC format file. Select, go to desktop and try here and import file. See guys, that's my Cinema 4D file, right? So press 0 for camera, and guys, I change this one, go to timeline here, yeah, and go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my dynamic animation, right? Okay, so guys, now I apply beautiful material. I already create material, so stop this animation. So guys, go to null, this one, actually cloner, and see guys, that's my firstly capsule. So guys, that's my capsule material, this one. Yeah, see guys, it's my beautiful capsule. So apply on first one and select first. Go to last one, guys, this one, select only capsule, and I go to object. So go to link transform and apply link material. Yeah, see guys, that's my capsule material. Yeah, and second one, guys, that's my cone, and apply cone material. See guys, that's my cone material. Yeah, and select first one and apply last one, cone. More here, that's my cone. Yeah, and go to same process, object, and guys, link transform, apply link material. Yeah, and third one, guys, that's my cube. So go on here and apply, guys, this one, cube, this one. Yeah, and same, select first one and go to last cube, more here, this one. Yeah, select all cubes, and guys, same, go to object and link transform here and link material. Yeah, and next one, guys, that's my sphere. So select this sphere, and guys, sphere material, and this one, sphere, and go to down. Yeah, and select all sphere and go to object. Guys, that's my so easy tutorial. So last one, guys, that's my torus, and guys, torus material, go to last one, guys, holding shift key and apply. Yeah, see guys, that's beautiful material, right? Okay, so guys, now you can also apply HDRI image. So click on here and see guys, that's my HDRI. So I click on here. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful material and beautiful shader effect, right? Okay, so guys, now next one and click on here. Yeah, so guys, this time I apply material for this one, sphere. So select and guys, go to up and unfold this layer. So guys, go to cloner and unfold, go to null, and guys, select this sphere, this one, and change view angle like this. Yeah, it's good. So guys, click on here, this one. So guys, select your material, this one, and guys, apply this one, marble material. Yeah, that's my marble. And next one, guys, I apply half pinkish material. So go to edit mode. Yeah, so guys, most important part, click on here, that's my wireframe, and select your half sphere. Select your half sphere like this and apply pink material. So click on here, click and apply marble pink, yeah, and assign material, check. Yeah, that's it guys. And go to object mode, and mode guys change like this. Yeah, it's beautiful. See. Okay, so next one guys, select this one and apply same cube material. This one cube material, yeah. And guys, next one, apply this one material. So select this one, and guys, same, change axis. So go to y axis and closer. So guys, select your sphere, this one, that's my second one. And marble material, yeah, simple marble. And now guys, go to here wireframe and go to object mode to change edit mode, yeah, and select half sphere and go to here selection guys, half selection like this, and click on here second one, add material slot, and apply pink material and assign material, check. Yeah, that's it guys. Object and shader editor, yeah. So go to back and press 0, yeah. So guys, go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my final animation with beautiful material, right? Okay guys, I show you my beautiful material. So guys, click on here. Actually, I show you my render setting. Render engine, I use cycle and GPU check. And guys, denoise render, use image, open image denoise, this one. And guys, render SAM 256 and viewport I like 256. So guys, click on here. See guys, that's my final render. It's beautiful guys, right? It's really beautiful. Okay, so now next one guys, I create full frame animation. So click on here shader and guys, go to here and see guys, that's my output. So output path guys, change like this. So go to desktop and create new folder like ren and take any file name, yeah. Guys, format file, this one format file I like JPEG and quality 100%, yeah. And go to render here and render animation, check. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful render, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. So close, and guys, you can also change render, start render like 0, yeah, and start and 1000, yes, that's good. Render animation, check. Okay, so guys, see, that's my beautiful render effect, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final render is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.